All truth in the long run is only common sense clarified. I can't say why people lie, they just do. Everyone has their own reasons for not telling the truth. A philosopher goes where the truth leads and has no patience with merry emotion. The truth has always been my greatest ally. The truth needs so little rehearsal. We are either in the process of resisting God's truth or in the process of being shaped and molded by His truth. Truth will always be truth, regardless of lack of understanding, disbelief, or ignorance. Whatever has happened in my quest for innovation has been part of my quest for immaculate reality. Everything you added to the truth subtracts from the truth. Obviously, any band, any group someday is not going to be together anymore. That is the truth. Doubt is the incentive to truth, and inquiry leads the way. Sincerity is moral truth. Truth has very few friends, and those few are suicide.